Hey folks, this is Eddie York. I'm the handyman over here at Sherwood Place Apartments with Hadar Okibi with Make It Happen. So what we had is we had a little flooding issue coming off the side of this hill, and we needed to reach out to a company. American Structures, a very good company that comes out here. Come in, they're going to be putting in multiple French drains, as you can see here. Now I caught them on their lunch break right now. As you can see, this is a major project that's going on. But in Make It Happen, what happens here is when you have these people that are flooding out and stuff, you got to make them happy. So Hadar, he reached out to me. I reached out to this company. So they come in here and they're putting in a lot of drains, a lot of catch basins and stuff like that, and also another retaining wall to fix this issue. So one thing about it is, these apartments here are at full capacity, and we want to try to keep people in here the best that we can to make them happy. So that's what we do. We reached out and we hired this company to come in here and fix this problem, because it was way too big of a problem for a handyman like me. So this is Eddie York. I'm signing off, and remember to always make it happen.